Nick Reiner was reportedly diagnosed with schizophrenia before the gruesome murders of his parents, Rob and Michele Reiner, and the medications he was taking were making him act, quote, erratic and dangerous. Two sources told TMZ that Nick had been under the care of a psychiatrist for mental illness, claiming that his behavior had gotten alarming in the weeks leading up to his parents' stabbing deaths. He had recently received care at an expensive Los Angeles-based rehab facility that specializes in mental illness and substance abuse, the outlet reported, noting that his substance abuse was worsening the schizophrenia. About a month before the killings, doctors reportedly changed Nick's meds, at which point he became out of his head. They were reportedly in the process of adjusting his medications to stabilize him when tragedy struck, according to TMZ. Nick will likely plead not guilty by reason of insanity, a notoriously very high bar to prove, according to legal experts. An insanity plea is used rarely, less than 1% of felony cases, and it's often unsuccessful, winning only around 25% of those cases. If Nick Reiner is found not guilty of killing his parents, there could be a legal fight in civil court to stop him from collecting money from the Reiners' estate. California's Slayer statute law prohibits anyone convicted of intentionally killing someone from receiving any money from the victim's estate, which in the case of the Reiners is estimated to be around $200 million. That said, if convicted, Nick could still use some of their money for his $1 million legal bills. On the morning of Sunday, December 14th, Rob and Michele Reiner were found by their daughter, Romy, stabbed to death in their Brentwood home. The LA County Medical Examiner has confirmed that the couple died from multiple sharp force injuries, ruling that the manner was homicide. Nick was arrested Sunday night in downtown LA. He was living in his parents' guest house and has a history of violence and drug addiction. He has been to rehab almost 20 times and experienced bouts of homelessness. His hotshot criminal defense attorney, Alan Jackson, asked the public not to rush to judgment or jump to conclusions, as he described the case as very, very complex and serious.